Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is Matteo from the FPV Combat project, and today I have a really quick topic that I want to show you. As you might know, the FPV Combat project has the possibility to be configured through the integrated OSD menu. So today I'm gonna show you how to set up your remote controller. It can be any remote controller. As you can see here, I'm using this one from my old television. And it basically needs just to be an infrared remote controller. In the procedure that I'm gonna show you now, I'm gonna set up and assign the buttons of the remote controller to the functions that are needed to navigate into the menu. Take a look at this diagram and you're gonna see that you're gonna need just to plug in the sensor and the power from the battery. Let's move on the bench. I'm gonna show you, with the help of this little model here, how we're gonna connect our sensor, which is this round component here, to the third port, starting from the bottom. If you have still any doubt about the connections, please check the previous video where I was talking about the wiring diagrams. We're gonna start by holding one button on the remote controller and plugging in the power on the battery. You will gonna hear this beeping sequence, and as you can see here, we are entering into the remote controller setup menu. Now the system is waiting for us for pressing the buttons that we're gonna assign to the functions that are shown in the display. So right here I wanna configure and assign my button, and in my case I'm gonna use this button here to enter into the menu. So I'm gonna point the button on the remote controller, on the sensor, and press it one time, and I'm gonna see the infrared code from the system, and I press one more time to confirm that. Now we repeat the same procedure for all the buttons that we want to assign to our configuration, to our system. So at the back, the shooting button, reload, and OK button. At the end of the procedure, you're gonna see this message here, and the system is waiting you to press the OK button if you want to restore the factory default. If you don't want to do that, just simply power cycle the board. So I'm gonna press OK in this case to show you what is happening. As you could see, the procedure is really straightforward and not complicated at all. So you can start having fun and navigating into the menu and finding out the function and configuring your model according to your needs. This is something we're gonna talk about in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed it. See you there. Have good fights.